Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. We're gonna head into CVS and check out all the deals to grab this week. It's a good week for diapers, a good week for Vaseline lotion if you need some of that. Tide, paper towels, there's a big overarching P&G deal. So I wanna show you a few different options of how you can get the best bang on that P&G, buy $20 and get $5 back. And then let's also talk about Carepass because I'm getting so many emails on CVS Carepass. So is it worth it or is it not? Let's go there. So let's head in and let's go shopping. Depending on your CVS store coupons, there's a really good deal on Vaseline this week. So buy $12 worth of Vaseline and you're gonna get a $4 extra care buck back. Store coupon wise, a lot of folks are getting $3 coupons from the coupon center off of any $10 purchase of body lotion. So you've got to buy 12 for the deal. That hits it for the store coupon. And then we've got other coupons. So we have $2 coupons from a past Sunday paper. If you head to southernsavers.com/CVS, you'll see all the coupons that I'm mentioning throughout the video. So use two $2 off coupons. What I would recommend, grab a little and a big. It's a little over $12 really, but grab one little, one big, use two $2 off coupons, use the store $3 off 10. You're gonna end up paying 89 cents a piece for each one of these. That's a great price for something that's normally $8. So perfect time to stock up on it. Great way to use your $2 off coupon as well. This is the cheapest price that you're gonna find around town this week. So we have a big money maker on Almay in Walgreens. You gotta flip over to the Walgreens video that I posted to hear about that one. But if you haven't used your Almay coupons yet and you're a CVS girl or guy, then I would head to CVS this week and definitely use them up. They're going to expire soon, so don't miss out. These are the $3 coupons that were in, I wanna say the 8-4 insert, but again, head to the Southern Savers CVS list and you'll be able to see all the inserts that you need. What I would recommend this week is buy $10 worth of any Almay. You're gonna get a $4 reward, but that deal is a limit of 6. So you can actually buy $20, $30, you get the idea. Your reward's gonna double, triple, etc. So grab a few items that maybe equal $20. It's better for math, like 3 lipsticks at $7.99 a piece. Use 3 $3 off coupons, get back 2 rewards, and then also make sure you check the coupon center or your CVS app because there are a lot of coupons for Almay makeup specifically or cosmetics in general. So any store coupon that you can pair in on top of that is gonna make this even better. For me, I have a $3 off store coupon, 3 $3 off Almay coupons. It makes the individual lipsticks a $1.32. So it's not a bad price, it's not a money maker, but it's not a bad price if you're wanting to use up those coupons and be able to get something fun with them. This week there is a large P&G deal where you buy $20 worth of P&G products and you get back a reward. Now I say large because it's not just diapers, but it encompasses health and beauty, like Pantene, Head and Shoulders, all of those items, Tide, Charmin, Bounty. So if you want to go diapers, it makes for a great deal on diapers this week. So they're on sale, 2 for $20. I'm on Easy Ups, but it's Pampers as well. 2 for $20. We've got coupons here. We've got CVS digital coupons and we have coupons from last Sunday's insert. So grab 2 packs, use a $3 off 2 coupon, and check your CVS app. If you regularly buy diapers, you probably have a coupon off of baby care as well this week. $3 off of any $15 baby care purchase. So I grab 2 packs of diapers. I use the $3 manufacturer's coupon, the $3 store coupon. That's $6 in coupons, guys. So you're gonna pay $14 and you're gonna get back a $5 reward. That means that you just paid $9 after the reward for 2 packs of diapers or $4.50 a piece. Now, if you don't need diapers, there are lots of other things to throw in here. I just thought it would be best to kind of highlight this one because folks are always asking about what the current diaper deals are. And this is a good week for Pampers and Easy Ups. Definitely if you have the store coupon. If you don't, they're $6 a pack. It's still not a horrible price, but $4.50 is a little bit better. So if you don't need diapers, let's pop over to the household aisle because that's where the best deals are for other items. So our other options, again, for that P&G deal are Tide, Gain, Bounty, Charmin. So just, take over the whole aisle. You want $20 worth, mix or match before coupons. And guys, there are some great coupons here. We've got $2 off Tide coupons. So these are $5 basically, $4.94. pair in a $2 coupon here. Use your digitals as well. There's CVS digitals. We've got $1 coupon for Bounty and Charmin. So you get the idea. Mix and match just on what you need before coupons, and you're gonna get that $5 reward back. The sweet part about CVS, I do not actually have to buy the full amount that's needed. So it says to buy $20 worth, but if you decided to grab a Tide Pods and let's say a Bounty, Bounty's on sale for $9.99. It's a big pack of Bounty. You're technically 5 cents short. So we're talking, it's this big, huge container of Bounty here. You're gonna be 5 cents short if you grab the Tide Pods and the Bounty. That's okay. Use coupons, you're still gonna get your reward back. So kind of a fun little perk there and tip for getting the best deals on CVS's big kind of, I call them umbrella deals, mix or match type rewards that they're running. You just make it work for you with the products that you want. It's not often that I tell you to buy food items in the drugstores. Usually we want to focus on things that we don't eat, our paper towels, our toilet paper, our beauty care items. But this week, CVS has a great deal on cereal. So General Mills cereals, there are a lot of other things that are part of this too, but General Mills cereal make for some of the best prices. They're $1.88. Guys, we have so many coupons for General Mills. So you pair in a $1 off 2 coupon and you're gonna pay $1.38 for each box. And there's a lot of participating brands here. It's mostly the kid brands, so Cheerios, Honey Nut Cheerios, Lucky Charms, peanut butter Cheerios, you get the mix. But $1.38, there's not a limit here. It's not a rewards deal, it's just a sale. Pair in that $1 off 2 coupon from Sunday Papers, from Printables, and stock up on cereal. So there you go, just a few deals. Here's the reason why. It's the end of the month, guys. If you haven't learned this already, the last week of the month tends to be kind of the worst week of the month everywhere for deals. They assume you're out of money. You probably are. So there are some deals to grab. There aren't any big money makers. For me, it's really, using up some coupons that are going to expire. If you want a good way to use those high value coupons, this would be some of those deals that you could do. Now, I did want to kind of teach you on that. So again, I mentioned this big overarching deal that includes a lot of items. Remember, that's before coupons. So when they're showing you all of these coupons that you could be using, your goal is just to buy 20 bucks, but to think about what has the highest value coupon. So maybe you go the Pantene with that $5 off, or the Crest with a $2 off coupon. Mix and match items. So one idea for you. If you were to grab 3 Pantenes, that's 12 bucks with the sale. 2 Crests, that's basically $6. We're at $18 now. And then there's always a 99-cent Dawn. So throw in 2 99-cent Dawns. That's gonna get you right to the $20 that you need. You're really a few pennies short, but it's not gonna matter. Use 2 Crest $2 off coupons. Use a $5 off Pantene coupon. So now you're using $9 in coupons for your $20 purchase. You're going to pay $11 and get back a $5 reward. So that's the gist. We're making scenarios basically. Mix or match the items that you want. So really good time to grab diapers if you're in diaper mode. It's not bad time to grab the Tide either. You could go the Bounty or the Charmin. What I'm looking for usually to make the best scenario is the highest value coupon. So to me, that Bounty and Charmin, it's kind of pricey at $9.99 a piece. I could grab 2 of them and I could use 2 $1 off coupons, but I'm not really gonna come out as cheap as I would come with other items that have those higher coupons. So just consider that as you're trying to make your scenarios and get the best bang that you can on those deals. Now, the other thing I wanted to talk about was Carepass. So you join, you get a $10 reward automatically when you join. That's the reason to join. So many people are asking me, is this worth it? Guys, if you're in CVS once a month and you remember to use your $10 reward, you basically paid $5 a month to be part of the program, but you're getting $10 off of anything. As soon as you join the program, literally, you join the program, the $10 off will be in your CVS app immediately. Now, to use this, you really need to be using the CVS app. If you aren't using the CVS app, you're gonna forget about your Carepass offer. It's gonna be at the top of your app every single time that you open up your Extra Care buck or your Extra Care section of the app. So please switch to using the CVS app, just so you can see it, just so you remember it's there. But you get back a $10 reward every single month. The other big perks: free shipping on any order, no minimum purchase required on any online order, free delivery of your medications if you've got a lot. That might be a perk for you too, and 20% off of CVS house brand items. We don't buy a lot of house brand products, so that may not be a perk for you, but the $10 reward should be. So this is a money maker for most of us that are in CVS on a regular basis. You're not going to miss out. It is cheaper if you go ahead and pay for the whole year. It's $12 cheaper per year than it is to pay monthly. So I'll throw that out there as an idea for you too. It does auto renew. That's the one thing to watch for. So go ahead and put it on your calendar so that you can catch it, because if you do forget, if you're not getting these reward, the most out of your rewards, you're not using them, then you don't want to renew next year. But it is an auto renewal. So hopefully that helps. I would get signed up, and guys, I would totally sign up in the store. You can sign up on CVS's website, but each store is kind of running competitions. The cashiers are going to get perks back from their store for signing you up. So help them out and sign up in your local store, even with your favorite cashier if you can, to kind of make their day. So hopefully you can head to the store, you can grab these deals, head to southernsavers.com/CVS to get the list of all the deals and all the coupons that go along with them. Print your shopping list and head to the store. My goal is to make this as easy as I can for you. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video and I'll keep tabs on them, and also make sure to subscribe so that you can catch all of the future deals and future videos. Thanks for watching.